If you wish to set up a custom keyboard theme on a Samsung Galaxy S26, then unfortunately you cannot do that with the Samsung keyboard. So the default keyboard that we use on our Samsung Galaxy S26, there is simply no way to do so. If you go to the theme settings, you will not be able to create your own theme. In high contrast keyboard, of course, you have like a couple of options that allow you to change the look of the keyboard, but none of these options allow you to actually create your own custom theme. So if you want to do so, if you want to create your own theme, then you need to go to the Play Store and you need to download another keyboard that you're going to use on this phone, like for example Gboard. In my case, I have Gboard already installed, but I'm going to uninstall it and then install it again just to show you how to set it up, and which is also pretty straightforward and super easy, and also how to create that theme. So once we open the app, we need to tap on Enable in Settings, we need to tap on the Gboard switcher in here and press OK. We're gonna go back to the app, then choose Select Input Method, and you need to switch from the Samsung keyboard to the Google keyboard, the Gboard, and we're gonna tap on Done. Now, in here, we should be able to find the theme option, and as you can see, we immediately have much more options that we can use. So you can choose any of these themes if you find something that you may like. And if you want to create your own theme, then we can press this plus button at the top of the list. Then you can choose the image that is going to be used as a background for your keyboard. So let's say I'm going to choose this one over here. We can adjust the picture quite easily. We can move it up and down and zoom in and zoom out. Then go next. We can adjust the brightness of the picture and tap on Done. There we go. We can also toggle key borders and we can apply our custom theme. There we go, that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.